Yo, 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 what up, people? Yo, I don't have a shirt on. Yo, what up, people? This video is about me and my friend going on a train trip. We're from Canada, and we went down to the States. So we went to Denver for the first day, and then we traveled to Utah. But for the first couple minutes of this video, you guys, it's about us meeting up with some of my friends, co-workers, shout out Iggy and Zai, and we have a great time. But other than that, guys, I don't want to say too much. Enjoy the video!
Shutting it all down.
Are you ready?
Shutting it all down.
Are you ready?
I'm fucking ready. I'm gonna pop! Yeah.
Pop what?
Don't ask questions.
What are you popping though?
I'm fucking sweating, but as soon as I get outside, it's gonna.
Why are you sweating, dude?
Because I'm outside.
Who did this eat?
Yeah,
This is
nicer.
This is better. This is better. This is
right?
better. Hold on. I'm wild. I'm wild. I'm wild. I'm wild. Don't bring me to your Thanksgiving. I'll fucking base that.
You bake the turkey.
It's not about you, it's about the architecture, my boy.
I am architecture.
Do that again.
I am architecture. Yeah, let him know, Iggy. Oh, ah, ooh, ah.
Too early for this. The heck are you doing here? I have no idea.
I don't know, man.
We're just gonna go around, man. Hit the gas. Let's go. Only bus, man? Oh shit. Yo, Scott, what the fuck is this, man? Bus only, man.
So after cruising through the streets of Denver and having an absolute blast, it was time to get on the Rocky Mountaineer train. Okay, so I just want to explain something really quickly. Each train day was about 6 to 8 hours each. On the train, they gave us unlimited food and unlimited drinks. So we had probably about 20 mimosas on the first day, and I don't even remember how many we had the second day. But nonetheless, enough yapping. Back to the video.
As the Western settlers moved this way, they felt like it was just an iron board, really smooth now, but it was actually the ancestral Rocky Mountains smoothed by glaciers, so long before we have the huge range that we know and love today.
Now, the train being as awesome as it is and how much of a wonderful experience it is, me and my friend couldn't wait to get off to go celebrate.
What do you mean by that?
Caught in act, man. Hey, 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 girl, hey, girl, hey.
Okay. Purely academic. What happens if you microwave a food?
What?
It turns to even worse shit. If anybody did that shit, it's this guy, Scott Russell. Microwave shits. I may be the star, but he's the host. I'll be thinking about that.
Gotta get the horses for Ma. Look at the horses for Ma.
and the book lists getting their name from an expedition led by Captain Dawson.
The coolest things about Colorado is that all of our history is above the earth, right in front of our eyes. So something cool to see in front of us.
Yo, excuse me, bro. Excuse me, bro.
We made it! Whoa!
Welcome to Utah, everyone.
Utah! Utah! Utah, man! So once we arrived in Utah, we took a little trip around to see more sights, and once that was done, we decided to go out for the night and see what Utah was really all about.
This time we need a gift shop.
We out here!
Where can you find a gift shop right there?
Cheers. Oh my dear God. That's a shot.
What the fuck, dude?
Oh!
That was too fun. That was too fun. No, why? My bad.
Talk to them about the pizza.
The top ones were worse than the bottom ones. Thanks for the status update on your pretzels.
Thanks for the pretzels, Wetzel.
All ready for a ride up, bitch. You gonna be okay? Oh no.
Okay, here's a little story. On our 4.5-hour bus ride back to get to the airport in Salt Lake City, we picked up people along the bus route, but we picked up a crackhead. And on the bus for 3 hours, this crackhead smelled the worst. I can't even describe to you how bad it was, other than the fact that I almost threw up. And so the fact that we're smiling here is a blessing. You guys don't even know. Cheeto, baby.
Do it again. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Well, guys, that is pretty much the end of the video. I do want to say thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I really do appreciate it. I want to explain one thing, though. Maybe you're curious, maybe you're not. Maybe you didn't even pay attention. Who knows? The ducks. Why was there ducks in the video? Well, my friend gave me the duck at the start of the trip, and he said it was like a good luck charm, but just make sure you have it with you at all times. And so throughout our trip, we would check on each other to make sure we had the ducks. Kind of cute. I know. Thank you. But that was the purpose of that. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know. Other than that, we're planning on doing something else sometime in the future. You all take it easy. I'll see you next time. Peace.
Grandma